Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Meron tayong special channel for Libra ha. Pakicheck na lang Libra Philippines. Ayan. And please do follow me on TikTok. Yung TikTok ko guys ay may mga sinishare din akong videos doon. You might want to check it out. And if you want to avail our products, maa-avail mo yun dun sa TikTok. Let's start your reading for the sign of ano to, Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Okay, thank you for guys, angel guides. Libra, you do have your Nine of Stones. This particular card is showing as a problem or stressful situation. Pero nanatili kang kalmado. Nakayanan mo lahat ng ito. And with the Three of Vessels, I can see celebration. I mean, you need to celebrate. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, maaaring may sitwasyon na nalagpasan ka. And, you do have here the Page of Vessels. So, may mga bagong opportunities, bagong tao na magiging dahilan for you para lalo kang mag-celebrate. Kasi kung hindi mo mararanasan itong bagay na ito, hindi dadating itong mga taong ito. So, it's like they are there for a reason. And maaring yung problema or stressful situation na napagdaanan mo is kaya mo siya pinagdaanan or kaya mo siya napagdaanan ay dahil may mga dadating na tao sa buhay mo or may action ka na dapat gawain na kung hindi mo ito naranasan, hindi mo naman gagawin yung mga action na yun. You don't have the Four of Vessels. Some of you, I don't know, you're still stressed about this ending, the blasted oak or something na nagpabagsak sa'yo. Or you're still thinking about this. Ten of Arrows is here. I feel like you need to focus on what's ahead. Mag-focus ka dun sa mga ma-achieve mo rather than sa mga nawala sa'yo. The journey is here. So, sabi ko nga sa'yo, kung ano man yung nangyari sa'yo, it's like, dapat lang kasi siya talaga mangyari para mapunta ka sa dapat mong puntahan. Matutunan mo yung mga dapat mong matutunan. Aralin mo yung dapat mong aralin. Parang ganon. And, kung hindi nangyari ito, hindi mo gagawin lahat ng yun. Or hindi mo gagawin lahat ng mga ginagawa mo ngayon. Any messages for love? Messages for love for the sign of Libra. You do have your Six of Arrows. Queen of Vessels. Two of Arrows and King of Arrows. I feel like you will be getting out of a situation na parang hindi nagiging balanse para sa'yo. Or there's this plano to get out of a situation na parang hindi nagiging okay para sa'yo. Hindi ka nagkakaroon ng growth or whatever. And, there's this energy na parang hindi mo na kaya. Some of you, masyado kang nabulag sa kung ano man yung mga ipinakita, ginawa, or nagbulag-bulagan ka sa mga negativity, sa mga it feels like some of you, it's a relationship or a connection na parang hindi balance for you, hindi mo gusto. At first, you thought, ito na talaga yon, gusto mo to, but then, upon closer inspection, yung nakita mo na nakita mo na kung ano talaga siya. Parang, ay sorry, hindi ko pala kaya, ayoko pala. Ang dami mong kinaya, sa totoo lang hindi biro yung mga pinagdaanan mo, but you know, tell me more for the sign of Libra, please. The hooded man. This is actually in the near future. There's this Ace of Vessel is a new love, new life that is about to enter your life. May bagong buhay, may bagong pag-asa, bagong love na paparating para sa'yo. And the hooded man, this is someone or something na hindi mo pa nakikita or hindi mo pa alam kung sino. Yung iba sa inyo, wala pa. Paparating pa lang. Yung iba naman sa inyo, maybe hindi mo alam yung intention nitong taong to or whatever, but like, I can see a new person who is about to enter your life. And I feel like itatry ka niyang akitin or illure, you know, para ikaw yung kusang umalis sa situation. I don't know, yung iba sa inyo kasi, if you are still in a relationship or a toxic connection, relationship, whatever, maaaring itong taong ito dadating sa buhay mo para akitin ka, para ikaw mismo yung umalis sa relationship na yan. You know what I mean? But if you have already managed to get out of the relationship, nakikita natin yung pagdating nitong taong ito to, like, give you a home, give you the love, give you whatever you need, whatever you want. Diba? Parang papatunayan niya sa'yo na you deserve someone better. And siya yun. Eight of Bows is here, followed by the stag. I can hear something. It's like Sagittarius or pangalan ng dinosaur eh. I don't know if you're into dinosaurs or what, but anyway. And stag is like itong person na ito could be someone who is mataas ang ego, someone who is mature, matanda, or someone with a wanderer. I feel like he or she will be more focused sa new beginnings, and wala siyang pakialam doon sa mga new beginnings na yun. It's like masyadong immature. Mature in a way na parang mature sa age but immature in real life. Parang ganon. I can see drinking, mga pakikipagkaibigan, pakikipagbarkada with this person. Tell me about this. You do have here Six of Vessels, Queen of Bows, and the Seer. I feel like you deserve someone who is quiet. Someone na mababa lang yung kanyang nature. Or someone na introvert. I don't know if you're introvert, but maybe someone na komportable sa home, sa house, ganon, and not like a person na gusto lagi nasa labas or umaalis. You know what I mean? Like, Knight of Stones is here, so this could be that person na deserve mo. Three of Stones is here. Naiipit siya ngayon sa isang situation eh. And might be hindi naman siya humihingi na tulong o nagsasabi sa'yo about sa situation na yan, but yeah. There's another journey with you and this new person. So, you know, I mean, hindi ko naman sinasabi maghintay ka, but you should focus on yourself for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.